How to fix voicemail notification not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, turn off Do Not Disturb. Now open settings, search Do Not Disturb, click on Do Not Disturb, and if you want to turn off Do Not Disturb, then turn off this button. After turning on this or turning off this button, turn off Do Not Disturb from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon, click on restart, again click on restart, restart your phone. Now go back. After that, allow notifications. Again open settings, scroll down, click on notifications, click on app notification. Here you will see apps. Select app that you want to allow notification. And if you want to allow notification, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, allow notification will be enabled from your phone. Now go back, reset all settings. Again open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset all settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset setting, all settings will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix voicemail notification not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.